Hi traders, welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn flag pattern. How to trade flag pattern and what is the best time to trade the flag pattern. If I want to define a flag pattern, then a flag pattern is a strong trending move followed by a weak pullbacks. Okay, so a flag pattern in technical analysis is a price chart characterized by a sharp counter trade succeeding a short-lived trend. Okay, so this sharp counter trade is known as flag, and the trend that is known as flag pole. Flag patterns signify trend reversal or breakout after a period of consolidation. It also represents a pauses in a quick moves up or moves down. So as shown in figure, a bullish flag pattern, we have a strong up move followed by some consolidation that present a flag. This is flag pole. So whenever breakout will happen to this flag, we will enter. Okay. So as shown in figure, in lupin we have a strong up move followed by some consolidation, and then again we have a breakout. Okay, so it represent a poses in a quick up move. Same way in bearish flag pattern, we have a downtrend followed by consolidation. If this breakdown, we will enter here. Okay, otherwise it will be continuing flat. Okay, so how to trade that we will see. So as shown in Axis Bank, we have a downtrend, then it is consolidating in channel. If this breakdown happen, then again it will come back. Okay, so what is the best time to trade your flag pattern? So best time to trade your flag pattern is after the breakout. For example, we have a consolidation between a rectangle. Okay, once this breakout happen, then we have a small pause. Okay, then you can take entry here after this small pause. Okay, second is when we have a strong trending market. Okay, so when we have a strong trending market, after that we have some pause. Okay, if breakout again happen, then we will enter here. Okay, so that is the best time to enter a flag pattern. Now how to trade flag pattern. So what is the entry point for your flag pattern? Breakout or breakdown to the flag. Okay, stop loss is swing low in a flag, or you can keep 0.5% below your swing low for safety. And target is you can use dynamic resistance like moving average or support or level, because I want to catch up the trend, because in a trend we have a pause, again we have a breakout. Okay, or breakdown, then we have to capture whole rally, so I can use dynamic resistance or support level. But according to the book, the target is size of pole. We will see with the help of example. So consider this lupin chart. Okay, so we have a strong up move followed by flat pattern, one breakout happen. Okay, so it will be continue. Okay, I can use any indicator as my stop loss, for example moving average. Okay, so one is stop loss is your close below your swing low. Here swing low is, okay, this point, so I can keep around 780. My target will be according to the 50-day or 30-day moving average or 20-day moving average. I will use it. Okay, because it is a strong move followed by pullback, again breakout. Okay, then it might be possible trend will continue. So in order to capture the trend, I can use a dynamic resistance, or I can use support or level, previous support level or resistance level, that will be act as a my target. Okay, here we have a again profit booking, or you can say a downtrend. Okay, but if you want to manage your risk, you can exit at this candle also. Okay, because on a breakout, that is from 838 to 890, so it's good move around 1%. okay, sorry, not 1%, 7 to 8%. So you can capture the rally. Okay, so according to your risk management, you can take profit and you can take you can put a stop loss. Okay, in Pidilite also we have a flag pattern, so strong move up, then consolidation within a channel, breakout, okay, continue. If you want to calculate the target on a daily basis, see what is the pool size, 14742 uh, 1 2, so around 200 point. So from breakout around 200 point, that is 1700 is my target, but it is your investment peak, not on intraday. But if you want to do a intraday, then you can take profit after the first candle of breakout. Okay, so according to your risk management, you can take trade. Again, in Oro Pharma we have a strong pullback, then it is a consolidation in channel. Okay, it might be possible breakdown or breakout. So breakout I will trade, and my first target will be this high, that is around 684, and my stop loss will be around 605. Okay, so you can take according to your risk management. Entry is defined, okay, breakout or breakdown if a reverse flag pattern. Okay, stop loss below your swing low, target, it's up to you. Normally I will prefer when breakout happen on a closes of first candle, I will close my target, or I will close book my profit. Okay, so what is the conclusion? So flag pattern, a weak pullback of an existing trade. Best time to trade is after a breakout in a strong trending market. Okay, so that's all about flag pattern. If you have any query, write down in a comment box. If you like my video, share with others, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.